This is how to make this advertising loading bar in Premiere Pro. So start by clicking on new item and then select color matte and then click on OK. Now select the color that you want on the loading bar. But don't worry, you can change it later on. Now drag the color matte above the video that you want the loading bar on. And make sure to adjust the duration so it covers the entire ad segment. Now select the layer and then in effects controls move the color matte down until you're happy with the size of the bar. To animate it, you need to go to effects and then search crop and then apply the effect to the color matte. Now with the layer selected, go to effects controls and then make sure you're at the start of the layer and then create a keyframe for right. And since we want the bar to be filled at the end like we currently have, we can simply move the keyframe to the end of the clip. And then you can simply increase the right value to 100%. And we now got the simple linear moving bar. And if you want it to be reversed so that the bar gets smaller with time, then you need to keyframe left and move to the end of the clip and then change the value to 100%. You can also change the speed of it by selecting both keyframes, right click, ease in, and then select ease out. Now expand the arrow next to right and then click on one of the keyframes to show these blue handles. And if you don't see the last handle, then simply move the last keyframe backwards a bit. Now you can adjust the handles to create your own graph, but make sure to not move it up or down since that will mess up the animation, so drag it only sideways. And then also don't forget to move the keyframe forward again. We now got a simple bar animation and you can easily change the color of it by double clicking on the color matte and then choosing a different color and then clicking OK.